Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, chalk the trailer, disconnect the 12V power, and raise the corner with rated jack stands. Once lifted, remove the wheel and expose the drum or rotor assembly. You need clear access. Inspect bearings and seals as you go. If they're rough, replace them. Next, document the actuator wiring and magnet orientation with a quick photo because the reassembly order matters. You'll be ready to remove the hub after confirming the spindle nut is loosened and the brake backing plate is exposed. Once the hub is off, remove the drum or rotor and unbolt the magnets and shoes. Pay attention to springs and retainers because orientation is critical. Clean the backing plate and replace the hardware kit. Old springs lose tension. Fit the new shoes and magnets. Following your photos, magnets must seat flush for even braking. Tighten fasteners to manufacturer torque. After reassembly, adjust the shooter drum clearance to spec so the hub spins freely with slight drag. Then test the actuator centering. Reinstall the hub, set bearing per load, and torque the axle nut to spec before trimming the cotter pin. Remount the wheel, lower the trailer, and reconnect the 12V supply. Once powered, run the controller calibration or apply the manual actuator at low speed. Listen for rubbing, grabbing, or uneven response. Make sure the magnets are aligned and wiring grounds are solid. If brakes pull or are weak, stop, double-check controller output, wiring resistance, and magnet seating. Improper wiring or misaligned
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.